Good morning, I'm Janelle with Sticker Mama, and in today's video I'll be planning for Monday the 26th through Sunday November 1st. So before we get started, I wanted to show you this weekly Lux pad from EC, and this is where I'll kind of pre-plan out the week so it's easier when I go ahead and transfer into my Daily Duo. On the bottom here, I keep track of my kids' working schedules because I have 3 teenage boys that all work. It's also got a nice cardboard front and back cover, so it sits nicely. So I just put it on my desk so I can see it at a glance anytime I need it. All right, so for this week, I'm going to be using this kit 3049. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my Monday, Tuesday spread, and then I'll kind of fast forward the video some, and then I'll slow it down again at the end. But all right, so I'm going to place these larger washi strips that have the days of the week on them, and there's 7 of them. Actually, there's 6, sorry, 6 of them. Um, so each Monday, Tuesday, each pair, I should say, of the pages will have the same um, design. So Monday and Tuesday will be the same, Wednesday, Thursday will be the same, Friday, Saturday, Sunday will all be the same strip. All right, and then I put down this to do, and then I have these narrow washies, and I just kind of like how it looks. Sometimes I'll also um, maybe do 2 different to-do lists. I'll do a to-do list for like a house and things I need to work on for work. So these narrow washies, I put it around 12 o'clock. Got my meal planning sticker down below. And now I'm going to put this large bottom right box down. And again, I've used this kit as well as last week. So I just printed new date strips at the top and the next sheet, which is the thin washies for this week. So not all of my days will have the larger bottom box. All right, so here is my morning routine sticker. So I'll use that one up there at top, and I'll use the evening routine sticker in the bottom box. I don't like to use the evening one in the hourly part or the timed section on the left because normally I got things to put in that. So I got this little Erin Condren stencil, and you can see that box I've been using a lot, and I'll just make my 3 check boxes of things I like to do in the morning, and again I'll do it in the evening, and then I'll write in my 3 things I want to make sure get accomplished before the day's end. And then on the calendar box, I don't know if you saw that I circled it there. And in some spreads or days, I will cover it with a box. And then next to the calendar, I like to put the weather. So I'll put today's weather, super windy today. So I'll put that down there. And then I normally below that, I'll put down my water intake stickers. So because I used this like of last week, I had 4 days where I tracked that. So I only have 3 left over. So I'll put one on Monday, and I'm going to have to find me some more water tracking, but at least we'll get that down for Monday. And then I flip it over and I'll do on Tuesday. And I do find that it's easier in the Duo to plan sideways all my stickers. I don't know if I mentioned that at the beginning, but I do prefer it that way. So if you see it sideways, hopefully that's not too awkward for you to watch it, but I find it easier to place the stickers down straight if it's sideways. All right, put today's date for Tuesday's date, I should say. Okay, so on this calendar, I'll use off of this sheet, one of the calendar boxes, and I'll cover that up. Sometimes I may put like the weather in there instead of to the side of it, but I think today I'm going to go ahead and put some deco in it. So I've got this cute Halloween deco I'll put there, and I'll put down my matching to do. So this color matches with Monday, kind of like how it all coordinates that way too. And each of the strips, can be mixed around too. So if I have the same design on the large washi as I do this thin washi on this sheet, I may not do the same, use different ones because they all coordinate. I hope that made sense. In my brain, it was going to make sense, but all right. So I've got my morning routine, and now is going to look for, yeah, just verifying this bottom box. So because I don't have enough bottom boxes because I'm shared it with another week, I'm going to go ahead and put another deco kind of just over the asterisks here in this part of the box. All right, then I can put down my evening routine. Do I put it down here? I think I'll just kind of maybe put it more centered. There we go. All right. I need to get the thin washi. And then again, put it at the noon. I just like how it looks, that it kind of just gives it a little bit more color and breaks up. Certainly you can put it anywhere. You can stick it on the bottom, like underneath where I do the meal planning sticker. Any of that, of course, is fine. Or you can use it at the top as well and not by the date strips. That would certainly work too, since it is already dated with the days. I just like it to be more colorful. All right, my 3 boxes. Again, for each of the morning routine and evening routine. Besides, let's see, what else do I need to do? My weather. I've got to get my little weather guy, get my little sun, and then I'll go ahead and open it up and show you the 2-day spread so you can kind of see that. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and speed it up. And then I'll check back with you towards the end, where we'll do a little flip through. I'll probably slow it down for my Saturday, Sunday spread so I can show you how I separate those days, well, on the one page still. I'm getting used to it. I'm okay with it. I know a lot of people don't care for the Saturday and Sunday on one page. All right, so here's my Monday, Tuesday. So you can see how it kind of coordinates, but it's a little different. All right. Okay, so here we are at Saturday and Sunday. So I'll start off with my date strip. We'll go ahead and stick it at the top. All right, put the dates down. So we got 31st, Saturday. And we'll put the number 1 up on Sunday. All right, now on the second, first I'll white out this little quote right here. It just doesn't look right with the mini washi, the thin washi strip that I'm going to put down here in a minute. So to make it more separate looking, I use one of these 2 leftover mini washi strips. So on that sheet, you get 7 of these guys. So you actually have enough to do 2 on this page. So I do 1 going down, and I use my Erin Condren ruler to cut it right before this blue strip. And then I get the the last one here, and I'm going to cover up the blue strip. And I go right below instead of going above it. I go right below. So it covers up a little bit of the calendar, but I'm okay with that. I'd rather have more lines on top. And then I cover up the calendar with a box. Line it up like that. All right, now I'm going to put 2 to-do strips. So I just, depending on how many you use, I want enough space on top where I can put the timed items that we have for the day, and then gives me, quite a few lines to list things that need to be done. So I'll put that here. And then I have the meal planning, and I'll kind of put it right here. The other one over here for Sunday. Okay. Now I have these, oh, gotta get these weather. So I'll put my weather stickers down for each day. And then after that, I have, instead of using these larger routine stickers, I have smaller ones also available in my Etsy shop, and I use these ones on the weekends since they're smaller. So just has a little checkbox in AM, PM. They're available in several different font types. So I'll put one on here and one on this side as well. And PM routine and the other PM routine. Okay, so that is about it. So let me go ahead and open this up and show you how Friday, Saturday, and Sunday look. So I just love it that there's time spots still. You got a space for to-dos, your meal planning. All right, now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up with some Halloween stickers. I also have my son's birthday's on Thursday. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up from here. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, like, subscribe, check out the links below. Hope you all have a great week. Bye-bye.